Hey everybody, in this video we will show you how to ohm check Bobcat Mower switches. When looking at your switch, the terminals marked NC indicate normally closed as shown here. First, set your multimeter to test continuity. Continuity tests are most commonly represented by this symbol shown here. For this video, we will be using a normally closed and normally open switch. Start by attaching your multimeter to the normally closed side of the switch. Normal operation means that no pressure is on the plunger. This means that when we test the normally closed side, we should get continuity because the switch is closed. When we push in the plunger, we should get no continuity because the switch opens. When the switch is closed and the leads are held firm to the terminal, you should get a very low and consistent reading. If the reading is high or varies, this could indicate moisture or compromised contact in the switch. Moving to the normally open side of the switch, at normal position, we should get no continuity as the switch is open, and when we apply pressure to the plunger, we should get continuity because the switch closes.